Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am showing a small exercise like how we can check the clash check or in reference check in Revit. So first we need to go to the collaborate tab and then you will be get this tab for that and just click on this one so we can check the in reference check or clash check in the Revit itself. No need to go to the Navies work. So then I will just selecting this mesh area and first I need to check the clash between any services. So you can just select this mesh areas and go to filter. Then which are the systems you do want to check it? I'm just going for cable tray fittings, cable trays and some security devices. And after that apply OK. Then you go to collaborate and then you can get this tab. Then you can just click drop down that one and run interface check. Then you have already selected cable tray fittings. Cable, the current selection is this one. So you just select this one and after that which services you need. Okay, for example, I need to check with mechanical services. So selecting that one and click all, then select all, then click OK. So if you have any clashes, so it will show that one. So right now they are not showing any clashes with that services. So if you want to go again the run checking, then I can go to for the fire protection services. So they'll select that one, click OK. So if you have something, it was not showing anything. So then I'm running again with other services like for example some structural things, so just selecting that one, um, and these are the models which it is linked with this model, so you can just select whichever services with clashing with other services, so you can select one by one and run the interface checks, okay, in reference check with the other services. If I'm selecting that one, it is just taking a little time to load that one. I'm just waiting for a moment. So this is very useful for checking clashes in Revit. So after that, you select this all and select this one and clicking OK. Then we can see it was running over here for the checking the any clashes or clashes with the other services with the structural things or our cable tray with the structural things. They are just checking. So once it's done, then it will give a report. I will show you once it's run completely. So it is not showing any interface checks for these areas. So I'll go over here and again I am just checking on these areas. Go to collaborate in reference check. Okay, then it's from here FB and select all. Click OK. So it was not showing any clashes with any services. Okay, so I'm just going for another one. Then I'm just clicking with the cable tray. With cable tray, we can just check the clash. So it is showing like this one. So we can see there is some clashes is showing with this one. Okay, so you can see there it is also clashing with something you can that was highlighting. So once it's done, then you can just go to here and then go to the 3D view. So we can see how it's look. So in this model, very minimum clashes. So this is the one method for checking the clashes. So I'm just moving this one over here. So it is just showing, I think, some clashing with this cable trunking. It is going inside this. I think this is we can just run up to here. Okay. Then once you check this one again, it is showing that one, right? So if you're selecting this one, so it is showing like the clashes like this. And if even I am just doing refresh, once you've done that one, after that you just refresh it, so that clash will be gone, right? So this is again it is showing some other other equipment clash also. So just I just want to select that one and drag it that one up to here. So just dragging up to here. So we'll see it is which one is showing. So this is the one is showing. So we need to avoid that clash also, right? So just need to be rotate, and then you can stretch up to here the view, and then see it is showing like this, and you can select this one. It is clashing with this one, right? Then go to the back, and you can adjust the cable trunking. So just adjust the cable trunking so that the clash will be, once you refresh that one, it will be gone. So this is the method like we are checking the interface with the it's in Revit itself. So if you are go here and go to filter and check none, cable tray fittings and security device, then go to the collaborate in reference check, then select here and ME mechanical model, select this one, click OK. So it is running over here. Maybe there is no clash with that. We can go for another one. This one, select this one. There will be no clashes. So this is the method. Normally in the reverse itself, we can use the interface in reference checking in Revit itself. So we can use the method like that. Okay, so this is the one simple exercise. It's Revit itself showing the clashes with other services and other things. So you can just run that one, and you can find the clashes and solve the clashes easily. Thanks for watching. Thank you.